where I had sometimes played chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden...
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Cole. Today we are going to do how to add character. So in this room you can see that I have the fireplace mantle. Now this fireplace is not workable. I do have a heater down in the bottom, and I'll take the camera off and kind of show you that in just a second. But if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. You know, we're in the process of packing and selling our home. And then once we get our new home, I'm going to take y'all along for that. Building a tiny home for my parents. So we're going to have a ton of content. We're still going to do Christmas. So I don't know if it's going to be here or somewhere else, but I'm excited to share everything with you all. So let's go throughout our entire home and share with you all character pieces throughout. I've added character throughout this entire home. We built this home about 3 years ago. It's around 3,100 square feet. We've added character everywhere you turn. So to me, that just kind of brings in your personality to your home. So I thought I'd kind of give y'all some ideas. So let's get started. Thank y'all. So this is one of the first videos that I did with you guys. And this is just paneling, whitewashed, or what I call dry brushed with white, and joint compound. That's absolutely it. We love this hallway and what character it adds to this area. So many of y'all have seen this room, but I don't know if I've ever mentioned this to you all. So down on the bottom of the walls on either side of this window, we have this very old wood, and it's made, it was made in Lockhart, Alabama, which is not far from here, in the early 1900s. What's even more special about it is that this came out of a home that my mother was raised in. So we took the walls, and we thought we had enough to cover this entire wall here, but we only had enough to do the bottom of this side and that side. So that's our character in this room, and then the light fixture with the robe is absolutely gorgeous. So in this room, there's actually two character pieces. There's the barn door and this siding up top. This is just bark off of a tree. They only harvest it 6 months. I think it's 60 days out of the year. So they harvest it. It's real wood, and it's just siding. You can use this outside. You can use it inside. And so I chose to put it on this wall. I saw it in Gatlinburg and fell in love with it. And then of course this door. That thing is beautiful. To me, the statement piece in our pantry is actually going to be this table here. And I know it's kind of junky down below, but I am trying to go through all of that and pack all of that up. And I've got things laid out everywhere. Shoot. So in this room, the character for me in this room is probably going to be this long table that I had made. It is kind of junky down below, but I am working on getting this all kind of boxed up, certain things that I can boxed up. And then the other thing is the scales. To me, that is absolutely beautiful, and it's a statement piece. So you need some kind of statement piece in every room. So let's go to another room. The statement piece in this room is very, very noticeable. This was my father's old John boat, and we had our builder mount it to the ceiling for us. It's hanging like a swing up there. Now there is an area under that boat if you wanted to have a center light, so we could do a light up there, but I just love this look. And then of course we have the boat motor, very, very old boat motor over there. And then of course we have fishing poles, but honestly I think the statement piece in this room is definitely the boat. And this room has a statement piece because of the way the light fixture was put up. So we had to center it. So once we added the hutch over there, the light was not centered over the table. So what we did is we run the light wires across here over to the light. So my husband, he's an electrician, and he added more wire and run it up underneath that door. And that's how we hid it. And I think it turned out beautiful. You know, I used to have this piece underneath my coffee table. So that was another statement piece in the living room. I bet y'all can guess what the statement piece is in here. To me, it's my nesting box. Of course, the table and the barn is super cute with the barn lights. And then I have this door over to the side. But I think that the nesting box really makes a huge statement. And I love that actually we bought that light fixture from Amazon. However, the light shade on that was something we bid on at an auction, and it's just like a little feeder type thing. So that is the light fixture. So this room has a couple statement features as well. I added the shutters, these antique shutters on either side. Now you can see that both of these shutters are kind of flaking, and they're flaking because I believe this is the old the kind of paint that has metal or something in it that it's not good for you. So what I did is I coated it down really good with about 4 coats of poly. Now when I use polyurethane, I don't use a shiny, so it's not real shiny, and I like that part of it. So that's one statement piece. And then the other statement piece is right here. This is an old flour bin. This is what people used to keep their flour or their cornmeal or something like that in, is what my mother said. So these little bins open up, and it's just a really pretty piece in here to me. You know, I used to have this huge chest right here. So I think it's beautiful in here. It's just very simple. So yeah, that's my other statement piece in here. So in this bathroom, the statement piece to me is actually the vanity. This is an old dresser and an old dresser mirror that I used for the vanity in here. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Now I painted this with you guys, and I thought it turned out really pretty. It was kind of a greenish gray color, but I think the white made it stand out. And then we painted the shiplap on the other side as well. So I think it really came together. And then I had a girlfriend of mine build me this green cabinet just for a pop of color. But y'all, that's the statement piece. In this room, hands down, it's the headboard. So this headboard was actually the door to my mother's bedroom, I believe, at the old house. The bottom of the wall in the breakfast area was the walls in this very same house. So this was a door going into my mother's bedroom, I believe. So this bed was made from that. I think it's beautiful. My husband made it for me. So to me, that's a huge statement piece in here. And see, every room has something that pulls you in. So try to look around your home and make sure that you have a statement piece in every room. So this is going up our stairs, going to my husband's office and the bunk room. So I did this wall in cedar, and then did the shadow boxes with his uniforms on it. But that wall with the live edge is absolutely gorgeous. It's really hard to get a good video of it, but I'm gonna try to go up because our ceilings are really high right here. But I didn't go all the way to the ceiling, I stopped, but I loved it. I saw it on Fixer Upper and fell in love with that live edge, and so I wanted to try it. So I did have to buy these cedar pieces of wood. We just nailed them, and you can see the nail holes. We just nailed it with the nail gun, and then I did joint compound here to attach where the live edge was to the 2 pieces of wood. So that is a beautiful beautiful character piece in here to me. And then my husband made this table, and we put all of his medals from the military, and then we added these cute Hobby Lobby finds. So I think it's really cute. Just so y'all know, my railings going up the stairs, they are boat oars. So I have one here, and then I'll just kind of take you around here. I'll go slow. These are shutters that I have my husband's memorabilia on, and I thought they were really cute just to have something rustic looking. But here is my other handrail with boat oar. This actually, the one downstairs, the green, or the one that's the larger one that I just showed you, the first one, it was green and it was hideous. So I just painted it with a beigey brown color and then dry brushed the white to make it look weathered. And I think it turned, this one was brand new. So I tried to make it look a little older. And I think I did a little bit of black in there as well. Let me see if I can kind of, let's see, it's got the brown and the white. It's real pretty. So the character piece in this room to me is my husband's uniform. I mean, I'm very proud of him. So I like to have everything out on display. And then he's got all his Alabama pictures up, his Alabama football. So we just collect a lot of Alabama stuff. And a lot of this, when we move, is going to go to his new office. He just got a new position at work. And so that's where majority of this Alabama stuff is going to go. And I think it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. This room, there's no way for me to say one piece in here. It is a trunk trove of just character. I mean, this room to me screams absolute character. So we've got, you know, wagons. We've got thermos bottles and old antique wooden drawers. We've got, you know, flags, old antique flags. We've got tennis rackets, for Pete's sakes. So this room to me just screams all kinds of character. The old desk. You know, guys, this room I love, and this is one of the rooms I'm going to miss the most because our grandbabies stay in this, and we just love this room. But, you know, even the closet, from the bunk beds with all the fishing gear on it, to the closet. I mean, this closet is so precious with the boat cleats on it, and you know, you can hang things, and I mean, and the little shoe rack, y'all. Oh my gosh. This room is precious. Now, this is a mirror here, and it opens up to tons more storage. So this house has got all kinds of storage in it, and then so much character. So much character. I love this house. I'm going to miss this house. But I wanted to kind of take y'all through the entire house. I didn't go into our bedroom because my husband's napping. But I wanted y'all to see all the ideas for character pieces in your home. And I feel like you've got them in your home. You just don't know it yet. So thank y'all so much. I enjoyed sharing with you all my little character pieces in my house. Yeah, it's another one of my sicknesses. I have tons of it, but I love it. I love collecting. So, and I can't wait to show y'all the new adventure. Thank y'all so much.